Good day, everyone. Welcome. Welcome to another Happy Friday moment. Welcome, everyone. How's it going? How are you today? Let's go. What's up, chat? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Are you guys ready for another, I would say, amazing trading session? Good morning, everyone. Let's go. I'm about to share this one with all the community members. Let your friends know about it. Let your trading groups, all the fellas members out there. Let's go. We are live. Let's go. $75,000 in giveaways. Beautiful, guys. One of our community members just got paid from Ticktick Trader. First day on live trading, the payout more than $2,000. First day live, he actually requested after the first day and got paid. Ticktick Trader is amazing, guys, with their new system. Beautiful. So here's the Ticktick Trader. We're about to collect our point number 7, right? We've got, how many points do we have? We have 6 points right now on the profit score. Yeah, I've got my account on Savios ready. We're going to trade Savios today. There you go. Here are the Savios accounts. We got the Tomcat. 150K at $255 with a payout of $3,000. Right, so only $255 with a payout $3,000. But we're gonna talk about it a little bit later. I got the accounts ready. They're set up. They're fine. Now, for those of you that care about a Ticktick trading business, well, there you go, guys. Good day, everyone. Hit the like button. Come on. Coupon code Scramble. Ticktick Trader is delivering. One of our great community members quickly got paid from his live trading on live for Ticktick. You can request payouts every single day. You can actually request multiple payouts per day. Ticktick is becoming better and better, guys. Very competitive. So today I'm looking for making my next profit score, which is another $500 that I need. And that's going to be good for 7 points. Yet I don't know what's happening here with this markets. It is right now at an interesting level to be longed.
Order filled.
Which is what we're doing. $9 points for my exit. We have a very strong support here, demand zone. Reaction could nicely appear.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome, chat. If this is continuing down, obviously, what the hell? That's crazy. Huh. None of the points reacted. Daily VWAP 200 EMA, demand zone, and now we might see the daily opening giving us something. Daily opening could give us something. I only need 5, 6, 7 points to the upside. So I'm definitely expecting that within the next candle. Yeah, we swept them. I don't know about the Asian lows. I mean, I'm fine on the long term for today, of course. But I'm not fine for a temporary continuation. I like to see green candlestick one after the other on the 1 minute, and that's kind of sufficient for me. Green candlesticks, 2 of them. 2 green candlesticks in a row. I think this is a level where we could see some reaction. It's just that my entry is a little bit higher than what I would have loved to have here. You see, with an entry on the daily opening, or near to that, we would have been touching our target already. Okay. Let's see if we can do that. 3 points needed. Looks like we need a third candlestick. Which I might not receive the third green candlestick, right?
Order
I'm
filled.
out of this, guys. I think my entry is a little bit too high. So I should have successfully hit my target with these 2 green candlesticks. That's what I've been waiting for. Therefore, my entry was too high and I've exited. You know, an entry at this point would be much better. Getting all the way down to daily opening, 518. And I was partially knife catching, right? So makes no sense to stay on that. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. So for those of you that care about a new Savio's offer, which is exclusively for our community, it's not on their official page. You need to sign up an account from my affiliate link to be able to have access. These are the plans, and once you have signed up, you can see the new plans in your account. If you have an older account, you have to sign up a new one with a new email, and then you will be able to see all these plans inside your account, your dashboard area. 60% off, cut 60% away from these things. $255 for the $3,000 payout. That's a 150k account. It's very cheap. I have a review video about it where I'm explaining people more details on the whole procedure. Good morning, everyone. Make sure to check that out. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Looks like we've got the 28th reacting for the moment. I don't know if we get deeper. There's always a risk from the price action standpoint when you have close levels of possible reactions, right? There's always a risk. Right, this is 10 points between a strong demand line on the 28th, and then the daily opening on the 18th. Shorting this one is not a good idea right now on the 36.35. And if it starts climbing, it's an issue, shorting. It's definitely an issue. Good morning, guys. Welcome, everyone. We're trading today our Ticktick trader accounts, our Tap on Futures accounts, and we're trading today our Savio accounts as well a little bit later. Our Tap on Futures accounts are extremely well positioned, requiring only trading days. The target has been hit, the consistency has been hit. We've got 7 trading days. Today it's going to be the 8th. And that's the only thing we need, which is why yesterday I only made $5, because I kind of finished my job in terms of the target and consistency before that. Let's see, guys, if we get a decent entry. 518, wicking into that. 517, 516. I'm going with this scenario for the moment. Good morning, everyone, and good afternoon, good evening, guys. Thank you so much for joining. We might see some volatility in 30 seconds right now. Waiting with some limit orders. Hope to get filled. I'd like to see the market bouncing, but probably they're gonna, if they're gonna sweep this lows, I'm going for the ultimate level. Yes, you can request a payout with the amount of money that you have in your balance. If you have, for example, 101,500, then you can request basically up to your original size. I mean, if you don't want to leave any buffer, it's up to you. You're going to blow your account straight away. But you can request a payout even if it's below 2,000. The criteria of requesting a payout is the number of points, not the amount of money. There is a criteria of minimum amount of money, which is $250 for the payout. This would be an interesting spot here to short it, but we're in support, guys. Not supposed to short it here. Definitely not. I'm not using prop shop trader, certainly not. Let's go, guys. Come on. No, you cannot request 2,000 because that will take you below the original balance. You cannot request below the original balance. You can request up to 1,300. Depends what rules. I can explain you. I can help you with any rules for the tap on futures. If you're part of our community, feel free to ask me any questions in terms of tap on futures. Let me know. There is my last video about tap on futures that explains most of the things in the updated form. The same thing was with a Ticktick trader, guys. The last video where I got $10,000 payout explains everything for Ticktick trader. You have to make a profit score of 10 points. 1 point is by earning 0.5% of your account size per day. So you have to make 5% totally. Now the daily loss limit is eliminated, so you only have a maximum drawdown. That's it. If you utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE at the checkout, you have the ability to get massive discounts. Right? And if you pay through crypto, even bigger discounts. There is no place in the company website explaining basically all the rules. But one rule that is quite simple: microscoping should be avoided. Right, so microscoping should be avoided. You gotta hit basically 6% for the first payout target. That's what you gotta do. 6% for the tap on futures. First payout, 5%. Second payout, news trading is allowed on Ticktick Trader, is allowed on tap on futures, is not allowed on Savios. Certain rules are not allowed on Savios. Certain news, not all the news are banned. Just 3 categories of news. I'm waiting, guys, here. I'm not longing this yet. I might get a better entry than the current price. So let me see with the tap on futures to share with you. I mean, there's a few videos out there that I posted about tap on futures. There's 2 categories of accounts: end of the day drawdown, intraday drawdown. So tutorials are right there. This could be a decent spot here for an entry.
Order filled.
2 contracts long. If it comes lower, I'm fine. I'll grab my position from there as well in DCA. But we might not get into that 515. We might move from here higher. So then there is no reason to totally miss out.
Order filled.
For beginners, Ticktick Trader is great. Tap on futures is great as well. But Ticktick Trader with end of the day drawdown right now is a good deal, right? So you want to watch my last video for the Ticktick trader, which is what I'm trading right now. Gold is ripping. That's true. And probably Bitcoin is going to follow.
Order filled.
I'm adding a little more to this. Hopefully we get that little swing. So let me share with you guys the video explaining the Ticktick trader new system. Here's the video. Tech facts. That's the video right there, buddy. Dab. You can request, but definitely not below the balance, that is original balance from where you started. You cannot request money that you did not earn. Right? It's obvious.
Order filled.
You cannot request an amount of money that you never earned. Our target is sitting at 4 points right now.
Order filled.
I've been DCing a little bit. We're sitting at 3 points right now. With another green candle on top of this. This one that just opened. We need a green one right now, and this could be the target of the day. So obviously you cannot take money out that you did not made. Look at that. It's I don't want to DCA more into this lower. Exactly, buddy. Exactly, Tony. So for any cash out on Ticktick trader, you obviously need to have money above the original balance. It's pretty much common sense. Right, so I don't like basically the markets. You know, I'm selling
Order
this thing
filled.
right there.
Order filled.
I'm selling it. I don't like this, guys. I'm gonna put my limit orders down. This one looks much better. The discount is the maximum available, so it depends at which accounts are you looking at. It's maximum available basically. So if you're looking at the straight to funded plus, then you get 65% off. 65. This one, the new straight to funded, because the other are not benefiting of such high discount. Look at that, guys. We've been front run here. We've been front run here. Wow. Exactly on the daily opening. Exactly. That's pretty bad. I've been waiting for this candlestick and for this long for a while. So, Vadim, the new straight to funded plus accounts are the ones we trade, and this is where the big discount is. The instant funded, straight to funded, this guy's right here, it's a different account model, and this is not really discounted that much. just 30%. These are more expensive. It's a different system. Look at that, guys. This is terrible. $20 points right here. They haven't swept anything. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so there's two account models on Ticktick Trader. They keep a percentage to the live, but look what happens with the live. One of our community members on Discord, let me guys share with you our Discord link. Make sure to join our Discord, especially if you want to be part of our Discord giveaways. So, this is what our community members said. First, they live pay out more than $2,000. First, they live got paid on the same day. This is with a Ticktick Trader, guys. Requested after trading this morning and got paid at the market close. Think about it, on live. Paid well. Now live payment is even better. Mine was less than 12 hours. You made money in the morning and got it in the account on the same day. Beautiful, guys. This is what we're talking about with a Ticktick Trader live account. So watch my last video explaining how does it work. Once you get to live, which is not difficult. Here's the video, guys. It's not difficult. It's a great business once you get to live. Because at the end of the day, or even during the day, it doesn't matter when. You can cash out the profits you made every day. So that's kind of insane, right? Sure, Matt. Is much faster right now with the payouts than what was before, exactly. Correct, that's for Ticktick Trader, not top one. Ticktick Trader, if you are achieving through the new straight to funded plus accounts, right? The ones that I'm trading, the ones that I pasted the video, guys. I think this could actually go a little bit higher.
Order filled. Order filled.
$850 would actually get to my realized profit. That is enough. We already have a 320 loss right there. Let's go, guys. Come on. This candle should have been without rejection. The 1 minute price action so far is not bad. In terms of the bullishness, it could end up as a bull flag. Consolidating here. If it gets rejected, it's a problem, of course. Then I have to be out. Great job. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone.
Order filled.
All the way up to 542. 5 more points needed, come on. And that's also the previous wick highest level. So that's not a bad business. 3 more points needed here for me.
Order filled.
I'm DCAing.
Order filled.
I've added a little more. We need a nice green candle right now. As the market looks like it wants to have some momentum. That 850 target is pretty much enough to cover the realized loss and the target needed. Come on, guys. 2 more points. Yes, it is. I mean, we should just wick into that. I don't mind them defending, but I only want to see a nice wick. This isn't a big work to deliver, guys. Look at that. Come on. I'm gonna zoom into. Stop loss is on my entry. This is what we're trading. We need a single point if this is not playing out. Nothing to be
Order
done, right?
filled.
There you go, $500. 5 accounts copy trading. Beautiful times. Let's celebrate. It wasn't easy, guys. It wasn't easy. We got front run earlier. And the target should have been touched quicker, but that's fine. This is another target touched on my Ticktick Trader account. So we have collected once again 7 points. We don't have any loss. We have $9,200 maximum distance to the max loss. 9,200. We still have to do 3 more points. So we have a max loss of 9,200 while we have to earn $500 during 3 different days. That's it. I think my chances are sitting around 80 to 85% for the payout. With every single day, I think I'm going to add something around 5% to the payout. Or maybe even higher, I would say. Thank you guys, appreciate it. So, we got the right numbers. I mean, even if I have 4 daily max losses that I set at 1,500, that's 6 grand. While collecting 3 days. I can actually have more daily max losses than targets hit. And still going to get the payout. So with the profits that I have to do right now, which means 3 days of minimum 500, that's 1,500 right there. If I have 4 days of minus 1,500 each, like a worst case scenario, let's put it that way. But there is a plus 1,500. There's going to be $4,500 lost from this level. I'm going to have in my balance 104,500. And I can take out 2,000 from here on 5 accounts. That's $10,000. We're going to be sitting on $8,000 for the live wallet. Just $2,000 away So basically with the next payout, we should secure the live transition. And you saw the way it is on live. Let's go, guys. Now we're continuing basically with a Tap 1 Futures account, where we have to do something, which is why we're going to trade on micro. We got to do something. 200 EMA rejecting us, close to having a rejection from the daily VWAP.
Order filled.
We're going to open up a little short here of 2 contracts. 2 micros.
Order filled.
And I'm out. $4.52. Celebration time. Because that counts as a trading day. And I only have to achieve that. Boom. That's a trading day, guys. $4.52. Target is touched. Consistency is touched. $15,000 drawdown. This is the second cycle. We made a lot more than needed. So that's fine. We got 1, 2, 3 with 5. That's 8 days totally. So 2 more days of trading needed here. That means on Tuesday the 12th, I'm going to go for the payout. 3 accounts on Tap 1 Futures. That's going to be 3,150 times 3 net payout. Beautiful. So we've touched the targets right now for the meaningful accounts that I have. And I still want to trade some Savios. I'm going to trade some Savios right now. Make sure to like the video and be subscribed, everyone. Come on, like the video. Let's bring up those numbers. We're having the giveaway a little later. But I want you to like the videos. Good morning, buddy. Good morning, Lorenzo. Let's go, guys. Come on. Our temporary support here is delivering. Really questionable for the 15-minute structure if we're capable to attach more. Nah, it was a lovely week, guys. We've been green every single day, especially something very important. On the 6th. We were down on the 6th. $6,000 if you remember. $800 away from the max loss. And we saved the day. So that streaming from the 6th, that one right there, was the clear performance level. We are connected on Savios. Here you go. We're basically connected on Savios. And I'd like to trade my Savio's accounts too. No copy trading for the first account. Getting into a long here. $2,000 max loss. Hard breach. Yeah, this is Savios with Quant. This is Savios with Quant, guys. So, for those of you that would like to discover the offer, you have to sign up. You have to sign up, and inside your dashboard area, you will be able to see the offer. The offer is going to give you 60%. 60% off from the listed prices. These are the prices of the new offers. These offers are exclusively for our community. It's not on their official website. So you have to sign up using a new account if you already have an old one. Keep that in mind. The link is right there in the chat. $255 for a 150K account for $3,000 payout is crazy. I think that's a good deal. For those of you that would like to find out more about it, here's also the video. That's the video right there for those of you that care. We're going to pin the message. $300. So we have to do how much do we have to earn? Let me quickly verify. 7,500, only 5%. That's where the target is, at 5%. 7,500 divided to 5 days, because it's 20% consistency, and you know, guys, that I'm aggressive, right? Look at the entries, is perfect. So 7,500 divided to 5 days, because of 20% consistency, is $1,500. I do not need to make more than 1,500. Where is that 1,500? $558. That would be the 1,500. Stop loss on my entry. I'm waiting. Hello, welcome everyone. Yep. Is this one going to come all the way back to I've added one more contract to this. Putting my stop loss and break even. $5.54 for my exit target. Adding one more contract to this. Now I want to make a little more. We got stopped out on break even. We got 20 bucks. We got 25 minutes to go when the market opens. In the meantime, we're seeing a double rejection coming from the 200 EMA on the 5 minutes. 545 is pretty strong. I'm also going to set up my copy trading soon for the other 2 accounts that are existent. It's good we have used the stop loss on my entry, look at that. It's good we went break even, because otherwise this is a mess. So the copy trader is now set up for the second account and third account. The first one is going to be traded alone. You can set your stop loss basically based on ticks from here. You can turn that on where it says no SL, no stop loss. You can turn that on. And you can do it by the ticks, which is how it's set up on my side from the settings. And you can say 50 ticks stop loss. So whenever you open up your trade, you're going to have a 50 tick stop loss. You can say 25 ticks, for example, take profit. Whenever you open up a position, automatically it's going to add you into that structure. Or once you have opened your position, you can move stop loss and take profit. I'll show you soon. There are 2 little buttons out there that you can move and play with it. Now I'm going to short this a little bit. Four contracts. So you have these two buttons right there, limit order and stop loss. Now you just drag it down. LMT for the limit order, which is a take profit, and then STP for the stop loss. You just click on that and drag it up. Adding more to this. What's up? Now I'm trading it basically from the chart. The execution is all happening from the chart. Oh, let me put it this way, guys. So now you should be able to see it. Good morning, what's up guys? Welcome everyone. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Come on guys. We're trading the new Savio accounts, the first day right here. Looks like the market is still finding strength at this level. Looks like it. Looks like we might get stopped out. I don't know when trade of 8. No estimated time for that. Now it's Quant and other platforms, but their new accounts are extremely cheap. We got subbed out there. We're going to continue with the other accounts that are set on copy trading. I'll take that limit order out. Look at that, guys. I knew it's gonna come down. They just wick me out. We're gonna do some copy trading. Is DX feed with volumetric as well integrated, but it's DX feed. It's not rhythmic. This is a DX feed connection. We're copy trading right now. Stop loss is going to be right above this structure. I just want to quickly touch my target. Beautiful. Let's go, guys. Come on. Bring it on. I'm increasing my size. Stop loss on my entry. Just a little lower. I think we can get that. Come on. Just a little bit lower. Well, servers are top quality for trading. Really good. The XFeed is offering professional services, which is why the first month is for free. I'm out of this position, totally out. We've made $256. That was a strong reversal. The first month is free, but then the second month is no longer free. Now, assuming you reach the second month, obviously you got paid, which is the only way you have an active account for the second month. Otherwise, you wouldn't have an active account for the second month if you wouldn't reach the payout. So it's not an issue. If you blow the account, you don't have to pay any subscription if you don't have anything active. But there is a subscription on Savius, 80 euros per month. Have a look into the price section here, guys. We had a nice take profit. A little bit lower, about 3 points lower. And it didn't hit. Make sure to like the video, guys. Like the video, be subscribed. We're gonna have the giveaway starting soon. %60 off from the new Savius accounts. Exclusively for our community. So you have to be signed up from the link that I sent you. The link that is in the chat, pinned in the chat. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to see the new offer. It's not publicly available on their main page. I'm testing out a short. $5.21 for my exit. I think we have a decent chance here. It's not looking terrible. Giveaway starts soon. Hello, good day everyone. Welcome. Targets touched on Ticktick Trader, targets touched on Tap on Futures. So for the first time today, we're continuing and trading our Savios accounts, new Savios accounts on Quant Tower. We've touched the targets on the other side. 2 more days needed for the Tap on Futures payout, and 3 more days for the Ticktick Trader payout. We got 11 minutes to go. If they break above this level, I'm gonna be out. That's a strong reaction, guys, once again. On a level which is proven to be powerful. It's really proven. I'll take my limit order out, which was pending. We're chopping between 2 pivots, 540s, 200 EMA, and the daily opening 518. Who knows what's going to be the outcome from here when the market opens in about 10 minutes? I certainly have no idea. It wants to support it, it wants to be bullish, but the opening could actually easily deny that. If this is getting rejected here, it could be a decent short entry. But certainly not looking like that. Good morning, welcome everyone. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Let's bring up those numbers. I got into my short here, let's see. Three accounts at Savios. Out of the new accounts, the exclusive offer you see, 3 accounts of 150k. We're copy trading 2. It's my first day. Getting used to Quant Tower. I'm not trading Quant Tower most of the time, right? Getting used to this. Needs a little bit of time. It's different here with trading, it's different. Not the same like for me on the other places where Project X is totally different on the price section. We're gonna get stopped down. Yeah, I like that. I like Project X a lot more. Yeah, I don't like Tradeovate or Ninja at all. But I can feel the markets and trading on Project X totally different, guys. So the trading experience for me is much better there. Project X. Which is why I strongly prefer Ticktick Trader, Tap on Futures for their trading experience with Project X platforms. Quant Tower is good as well. It's similar, but there are differences. You got to get used to this. So my number one choice is Project X. That's a good rejection. We got lucky, guys. That was a single tick away. It was a single tick away from my stop loss. A single tick. It's awful, Tradeovate. No, Tradeovate is not good. And the Project X is right now dominating the markets. Look at that. They're pushing it back. They're pushing it back. And they stopped me out, right? Pretty bad. They pushed this one back all the way quite strongly. The markets are clearly defending these levels. The 528, 530s. Strong defense. Really strong defense right there. ATAS, it's available for Savio. Right, so that platform is available right there. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. Join our Discord, guys. Pretty small. Giveaways are costing us much more than the expenses of the accounts. No, Project X is totally dominating right now. It's totally dominating. It's so easy to trade. So easy. And I'm definitely suggesting you guys to run your screener on a tradingview.com. That should be the main source based on which you should trade, right? So not on the charts from the trading platforms. Certainly not. We had $4 here, it was sufficient. We're waiting for the New York markets to open, and then we start basically the giveaways. We got everything that's needed here. So TradingView is great for charting. I mean, you need indicators if you want to use them. TradingView is allowing you with a really diverse portfolio of indicators. Community indicators are also right there for you if you need it. On top of that, you have the screening, the settings, everything clear. You can zoom out nicely and see data from a longer perspective. Something that's not really happening on this platforms where you trade on Project X. Integrated, smaller screen, different thing. You know, something that makes a difference most of the time is make a step backwards away from your screen, 2 meters away, and look at the charts out of the book, out of the box, right? Think out of the box. The same thing here. Watch these things from the outside. And that means to make a step away and look at the whole thing. We discover in so many cases that we've been blindly longing in a bearish trend. It's because we're so deeply connected to the micro situation. We're in that box most of the time without having the capacity to stand out. So that moment is needed, which TradingView is the place for me. Five seconds to go. Keep in mind the volatility is going to be right here. And the opening bell. Look at that. First move is to the upside. First move is strongly to the upside. We're printing strong numbers. Giveaway starts in a few minutes. Correct. Exactly, Oliver. The thing is, with Project X, I also find setups very nicely. I'm already used so much to this that it's giving me a great feeling. So with Project X, I can also find setups. With Quant, definitely not. Make sure to like the video, guys. Giveaway starts soon. It's not easy to get Project X for this prop firms. It's not easy. This guy's from Savio. They applied, but it takes time. The whole business is going to change when they have Project X. A lot of the people will join. You know, trading platform is very important. Even now, some people join with Quant, which is a decent solution, but you got to get used to it, right? And that takes time, and time means money. So it takes money to make money, while you can have options. Oh, look at that long wick. Let's have a look into gold, what's happening. Now, gold is preparing, it's consolidating and it's preparing. If we zoom out, you guys will see. Consolidating and preparing for breakout continuation, right? If we get into the daily, look at that. We actually broke out today. We went all-time high on gold today. One crypto that's doing really strongly is Ethereum. I show you the chart for the weekly. It's going to blow your mind away. Look at the chart for the weekly. This is where Ethereum sits since 2021. So we're facing this supply that's been here since 2021, continuously rejecting. I personally do not think this supply is going to be capable to hold us onto levels below 4,000s. Certainly not. Beautiful, guys. So that was pretty much it. Time to celebrate. Time to enjoy. And time to move to the giveaways. Make sure to join the Discord. So let's take it step by step. What do we have to do in order to participate? What do we have to do? Well, first things first, you have to like the video. Like the video. Second thing, be subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, doing giveaways daily, having a great moment, enjoying our business, and a great ride. The third thing, join Discord. Join our Discord, which is a place filled up with lovely people, traders, and great fellas enjoying our community. And then the next thing, only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess multiple numbers. Do not guess from multiple accounts. You will be banned. Simple, straightforward. Get ready, guys. Prepare for your numbers, and we're ready to start. You can start. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Come on. Bring it up, guys. Bring it up. Whenever you see the stop, it's the end. There you go, right there, it's the end. No more numbers will be accepted. If you're guessing below the stop, it's over. Whenever you're guessing below the stop, it's over. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. We're going to shuffle this. This is the first giveaway of the day. $25,000 for top 1 futures. SimPro accounts. There is 30-40 people that guessed after the stop message has been there. I think that's going to be the blue number 1. What do you think about that blue number 1, guys? That blue number 1 coming up. Hey, beautiful. That blue number 1, look at that. The wheel is actually listening to me. Or I've got the skills to smell these numbers somehow. Playing the system, right? No, actually I see the speed of the wheel measuring the distance, and I'm guessing like that, real time. It takes some exercise, but we've been doing this for a while. 32 winners for our first giveaway. Keep in mind, we're gonna have the second. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Congratulations for the winners. Time to see your capabilities. Into swimming. How well are you into swimming? Let me see, guys. Keep going. Good luck, chat. Keep going. – 20 seconds. Keep in mind, we have another one coming up for the Ticktick Trader, $50,000 straight to funded plus 10 seconds to go. Who's going to come from behind? Look at the Dino. I think Dino's going to be the winner. Advanced Trades is basically. And there you go. Advanced Trades. What does it mean? Congratulations. Beautiful. Congratulations for winning the account. Absolutely lovely. Beautiful. Let's get to the second giveaway, guys. Get ready and prepare for the second giveaway. Get ready, guys, and prepare for the second way. Remember, like the video, be subscribed, and join Discord. Do not try to scam, do not try to play from multiple accounts. You will be banned. Get ready, start. We have about 25 people that left between the first and the second giveaway. Only one guest per person. Do not try to game the system, it's not gonna work. Once you see the stop message, it's over. There you go. There you go. Beautiful, guys. We're gonna shuffle this. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's see who goes into the second round for a $50,000 Ticktick Trader account straight to Funded Plus. We have a 555 coming up, guys. Do you think we stop there? 555 right there. We might stop on the yellow. Yep. We're gonna stop there. 555 is gonna be. And that's the winner, number 5. Interesting. Out of 10 giveaways that we're doing weekly, 5 of them are going with number 5. Congratulations for the winners. We're having the list delivered quite soon. Congrats. $33 winners right there. 1 minute to compete. Shuffle these characters. Get ready, everyone. It's gonna be pretty hot. You need to swim fast. You gotta do some exercise with your ducks. Get them ready for the next competitions. Next week, so we're gonna have tons of giveaways. Continue our trading. Next week, I'm hoping to qualify for 2 payouts, both Ticktick Trader and Top Money Futures. Massive discounts, big news pretty much everywhere. You got the links, you got a coupon code. It's on my channel, it's on my community. Whenever you need something, reach out to me on direct message. Good luck, everyone. 20 seconds to go. Quantum. Look at a Quantum. It has the green stars. I don't know if it's good you're dominating right now. I don't feel it's good. KG. KG is probably the winner with our pink duck. Congratulations. There you go. Congratulations. Congrats for winning the account. You've done a great job, everyone. It has been an amazing week, especially on Wednesday, on the 6th. You know, we've recovered $6,000. And we had a difficult time right there performing trading under such conditions, but we finally made it. So we made money during that day. We made money yesterday. We made money today. And that's the way it has been lately. Thank you guys. Thank you once again for watching. I wish you a really top-notch weekend. Take care about yourselves. Careful with the trading numbers today. Looking forward to it. Join our Discord for any updates or any support, any questions you have, setting up your accounts, getting discounts, doing whatever. Reach out to us. Thank you guys. Have a lovely day.